What if the moon cracked in half? Silent fracture in the sky. Two massive lunar halves drifting apart. Would life on Earth go on? Or would it spiral into chaos? Let's find out. For billions of years, the moon has been our silent companion. It lights up our nights, controls our tides, and stabilizes our planet. But have you ever wondered what would happen if it suddenly split in two? This isn't just science fiction at S, a question that opens a terrifying door into orbital physics. Gravitational chaos and Earth's delicate balance. Let's break it down, piece by piece. How could the moon crack? To begin with, we have to ask, is this even possible? The moon is a solid ball of rock, roughly 3,474 kilometers across. It's dense, cold, and incredibly stable. So for it to crack, we'd need something extraordinary, something catastrophic. Here are a few theoretical causes. A massive asteroid impact far larger than any we've seen before. A powerful alien weapon, yes, pure sci-fi, but fun to imagine. Extreme internal pressure from unknown forces inside the moon, or a highly advanced human experiment gone horribly wrong. In reality, it would take energy beyond anything humanity can produce. But let's assume it happens. A clean, deep crack splits the moon into two halves. What happens next? Immediate consequences first, gravity changes instantly. The moon's gravitational pull is crucial in keeping Earth's axial tilt stable. That tilt about 23.5 degrees is responsible for our seasons. But if the moon splits into two pieces, that gravitational influence is no longer uniform. The pieces would tug on Earth from different directions, potentially causing axial wobble, leading to unstable seasons, sudden climate shifts across entire continents, and increase in storms. Droughts or polar freezes. Meanwhile, from Earth, we'd see something surreal. Two bright halves of the moon slowly drifting apart in the sky. Light would reflect strangely, shadows would twist unnaturally, and night would never feel the same again. The tides go wild. The moon plays a huge role in our ocean tides. It pulls at Earth's waters with its gravity, causing high and low tides. Now imagine that pull coming from two directions, unequally. The fractured moon. Tides become unpredictable. Some regions face superfloods, massive surges of water. Others experience dead zones where tides vanish completely. Coastal cities might flood without warning. Marine life could be wiped out as ecosystems collapse. And since tides also affect Earth's rotation slightly, our days could change too, perhaps, becoming longer or shorter depending on the new gravitational tug-of-war. Orbital chaos begins. If both halves of the moon stay in orbit, they might settle into strange new paths. But most likely, the balance would be lost. One half could spiral away from Earth, drifting into space. The other might fall closer, caught in Earth's gravity. Or both could wobble into unstable orbits, crossing paths, colliding again, or raining debris. That brings us to the next terrifying possibility. Storm of debris. Even if the moon split cleanly, small fragments would break off. We're talking about thousands of tons of lunar rock. And a lot of it could head straight for Earth. These fragments would enter our atmosphere at high speed. Some would burn up, but the larger ones, they'd impact hard. Cities could be wiped out, global fires might spread. Tsunamis could follow coastal impacts. A few hits to the wrong locations could trigger a mass extinction event. It would be like a slow-motion version of the asteroid that ended the dinosaurs.